Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Amazon Echo Dot, which comes integrated with Amazon Alexa, and today I am going to review this device. As you guys knows कि Amazon पाकिस्तान में अपनी services नहीं provide करती, so that's why I am making this video so you can get idea that what can you get out of Amazon Alexa in Pakistan. So first of all, I'm going to unbox this device. The price of this device is $49, जो पाकिस्तानी रुपीस में अगर हम convert करें तो 8,000 rupees बनते हैं. There are other devices also which comes with Alexa, जैसे कि Echo Flex है, Amazon Echo itself है, Echo Dot है, and there are many other devices. So this is the main device. I'm going to take out this wrapping. इसमें 4 buttons है. There are 2 buttons for volume. One is to mute, and this one I don't know what does this button do. So we are going to see that what can we get out of this thing in Pakistan. Another thing, Amazon Echo Dot doesn't have its own battery, means you have to give it direct current. So the charger should be connected if you want to use this device. So this is the charger, this is the device, and these are some booklet. This mainly comes with the box. So next we are going to see that how can we use this device, how can we integrate it with the application, and how can we connect it with the Wi-Fi. Okay guys, next, to use the Amazon Echo Dot device, you have to set up it one time using Amazon Alexa application. If you can see here on my mobile, you can see that this application is not available in your country. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to download the APK from the Google, then you have to install this application on your mobile device. Next आपने ये करना है, you just have to simply add the device, and you have to select Amazon Echo, and other than adding the device or setting up the device, you can do a lot of things using the Amazon Alexa application. Like you can list down the notes, you can set alarm and reminders, and then you can also connect other smart devices with your Amazon Alexa device. Like you can set the light, you can set the switches, cameras, television. If you have any smart device in your house, you can integrate it with Amazon Echo Dot, and then you can give command to operate that specific device. Okay, now we will have a little demo of Amazon Alexa device, which is Echo Dot. So if I say Alexa, it is going to respond. So if I say Alexa, how are you?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, how are you?
I'm feeling really groovy. Got some rhymes flowing through me.
We can also ask for the weather. Alexa, can you tell the weather?
Currently, in Rawalpindi, it's 32 degrees Celsius with clear skies. Tonight, you can expect some clouds with a chance of thunder showers, with a low of 20.
And we can also ask her to play.
There is no active call.
We can also ask her to play any radio channel. Like Alexa, play Radio Mirchi FM.
Radio Mirchi from TuneIn.
Yes, so we can play any radio station and it is going to be played. Alexa, stop. And there are also applications available on Alexa that we can use. Like Alexa, ask Islamic calendar for Hijri date.
The Hijri date for today is the 5th. Through Al-Hijjah, 1441.
Alexa, tell me a story.
The Squirrel and the Acorn. There once was a squirrel who found an acorn he loved
Alexa,
very much. One evening,
Alexa,
he kissed the acorn.
stop. So we can have a lot of things on this device. If we are in Pakistan, we can set up Azan timing, we can ask for the Hijri date, we can check the weather, we can ask for a story, we can play any radio station, and we can also ask Alexa to play any chapter from Quran. And for buying this device, if you want to buy this device, of course it is not available in Pakistan. You will have to ask someone who is coming from abroad to bring it for you, but still it's offer a lot of things to you. Okay, thank you for watching this video.